Assalamualaikum. So we're going to talk about chapter 6, which is allowing for tax working capital and for inflation. So first of all, we need to understand that whenever we do an investment or perhaps whenever we do a business, government will tax us. So there's a portion of money from our investment, from our generated return, that will be taxed by the government, and also there will be a tax benefit given from government for expenses that was incurred. So whenever we are calculating our payback or any perhaps our net present value of our return for our investment, we need to take into consideration the taxation and also the tax allowable benefit, since taxation is a cash related expenses, since we need to pay it, since the cash related expenses, and also the tax benefit, since it will reduce the amount of tax that we need to pay for the year. So, and also then we talk about working capital. Working capital, the relevant cash flow associated with the working capital is the change in working capital. An increase in working capital require a cash outflow, and a decrease in working capital will cause a cash inflow. So inflation, real. There's a few distinction between real, nominal, and nominal. So real, it means that the price applied to the cash flow or the cost of capital is based on current price level. However, the nominal term refer to the price that will be put in the cash flow after the adjustment of inflation, which means that for real, we're not going to incorporate our inflation. However, for nominal, there are going to be incorporation of inflation in the calculation. So for example, for revenue calculation, sales price, variable cost, fixed cost, or perhaps even the working capital itself. So that's all for chapter 6. Chapter 6 is quite short. Thank you.